Did you miss me? Of course you do. Because you don't have a choice, really. I'm gonna put Evie back right now, okay? Anyway guys, welcome back to life@pc.com. It's been a while, and if you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, just cause it's the weekend. I dress however I want, and so should you. It is 3 p.m. on a Saturday, and not too long ago, we received something from realme. If you haven't followed us on our social media, then go ahead and do so. But for those who have, you might have seen that we post something that we received from realme. So this is the phone. It's the realme 7 5G. Look at that, look at that. Is it focusing? Yes it is, look at that. So this phone technically has not been released yet. It's not been launched yet. The launch will be on the 17th if I'm not mistaken. If I am, I'll just put the real date right here. So on the box it says it has a 5G chip. It has 5000 mAh battery life, a quad camera, obviously that's all the new phones that's coming out right now, 120Hz ultra smooth display. Very interesting. So I'm not entirely sure what to expect with this phone, but I'm very excited to open it. I am right now going in completely blind, so this will be my honest reaction and first impression of this phone. So the phone that we received is the Mist Blue phone. Oh, I can't wait to see the color. Are you excited? Are you excited? I am. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing, people. I'm not really usually a fan of the color yellow. I'm not that much of a fan, but this yellow is actually very pretty. It's like very honey. It reminds me of honey. It reminds me of Winnie the Pooh. I don't know where that came from, but yes. In the box, hey, welcome to the realme family. Thank you, realme. And the back says, let's embrace a new journey. Thank you. So in this we have, okay, your standard clear case, instruction manual, I guess. Yes, your quick guide to the realme 7. Put that aside. Okay, now we have the phone. Oh, oh wow. Oh, the blue does look very nice though. Look at that, guys. Oh wow, look at that. Look at how it shines. I would want this phone actually. I would definitely want this phone, okay? Let's put the phone aside for a while. What else is in the box? You will have your USB Type-C. I'm pretty sure, Type-C cable. Ooh, the inside is yellow. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm not sure if you can focus, but yes, you can see a little bit of the yellow right there. Right? And your charging brick. Huh, it's not the usual charging brick. Alright, okay realme. I'm not sure how I can charge this though. I'm not sure I have an adapter, but I'll get back to you on that. What else is in the box? And you will have, okay, you have your SIM card ejector in there. I don't have my SIM card with me right now, so I can't put it in the phone just yet. Is there anything else in this box? I don't think so. Alright, I guess that's all in the box. Now let's look at the phone itself. Oh, this is nice. This is very pretty. Okay, let's try turning on the phone. Okay, it's turning on, guys. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. It's actually very light. Okay, let's pick our language. Let's pick our region. We are in Malaysia. Suddenly forgot where I'm from. The display is actually very bright. I'm actually very impressed with this. I like the in-screen camera right there. As you can see, there's no notch. So, okay, what's this? I'm gonna skip this for now. I'm gonna skip a few steps for now because I don't have my SIM card with me and I don't want to log in just yet. So I will get back to you guys on all those features here because I'm not even entirely sure if I have time to review this, so I don't want to like put in all my details in this just yet. So we're gonna skip all the registration for now. Okay, first impression on the touch screen. I'm actually very liking this. It responds very well, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it says welcome realme UI. Yeah, I like the loading screen. It's actually, wow, okay, let's get started. Okay, there's a notification. Okay, alright. Let's test the camera, shall we? Because that's what we always do with new phone. Okay, alright. Is the beauty mode on? It is on. So let's pick natural. Actually, this is not bad. I'm actually quite impressed with the photos. I will put in the video later so you can see, but that's actually very nice. And you have your standard setups for the beauty mode, and you have your video. Okay, oh wow, even video you can put the beautify mode on. That's interesting. I've never seen that on the phone. Or am I just ignorant? I don't know. This is like the first time I'm seeing that here. Correct me if I'm wrong. Has there been any AI beautification on video mode? Because I don't think so. So this is like the first time I'm seeing it. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. The video looks very nice though. I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. There, look at you. You're very pretty. Very pretty. Oh my god. Photo quality on this thing though. Video quality as well. Look at that. Look at that. That's insane. Look at that. Look at that. That's insane. Can't wait to test that out. It can go up to 5 times zoom. That's pretty cool. Oh, you can screenshot while you're taking videos. That's actually very helpful. It has night mode right now, but since we're not in the dark, so I'll give you guys a photo of that later. So right now it's on the 48 megapixel mode of the camera. That's actually very nice. Okay, but the 48 megapixel camera doesn't have like the selfie mode, so it's only like on the rear camera right here. Okay, then you have your usual settings for the camera. Screen wise, it's actually very big. How big is this phone though? It's actually slightly bigger than my current phone. So the phone is 6.5 inches. Very nice, very nice. And has a 1080p resolution. And that is pretty obvious. Look at this. Look how clear the quality of this thing is. So right now I'm gonna test the audio quality, the speakers on this thing. That's not bad actually. It only has one speaker here at the bottom, so it's actually pretty decent. I like the sound quality. Oh, and very good to know it does have the headphone jack right here. Always good to know that there's a headphone jack. We don't need to buy an adapter. And in terms of internal storage, it has 128GB as well up to 8GB RAM. Obviously, there's a lot more to talk about this phone, but since we don't have the time, I will get back to you guys in another video. So first impression of the Realme 7 5G, it's actually very light. I'm actually quite impressed with the size and the weight of it. I'm actually loving the mist blue color. The camera quality is actually very nice, as you guys can see in the photos and the videos I took. And in terms of the touchscreen, it responds very well. So I'm actually very excited to test what this phone has to offer. So that is all for now. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at lifeatpc.com on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we will see you all in the next video.